Hello and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have HUAWEI Band 11 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to force restart this Smartband. A force restart could be useful if, for example, your Smartband is frozen, a bit sluggish or unresponsive. You could try to force restart the device and hopefully that will solve your problems. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get started. So to force restart our Smartband, we need to press and hold the side button and keep holding it until you see the HUAWEI logo on the screen, which will take about, I would say, 10 or 12 seconds. So keep holding the button. And looks like nothing will happen if we hold the button for 12 or 10 seconds. So after that time, you can release the button and let's see if now it's gonna reboot. Yeah, so you need to release the button at some point. And once you release it, the band will start rebooting. And as you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this Smartband. If you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.